this lesson and in the next 4 videos or so, I'm going to show you how simple it is for you to build different types of websites. So you've never coded before, you don't know anything about, web design or marketing, all that good stuff, right? So let me help get you started. So you want to go over to add template, and then you want to go over to my pages, and then you want to go here, you want to go where it says business. So this is how you get started. You scroll down and you look at the template that has the features you're looking for, something that is closest to what you want to create. So there are a lot of options here. So what I'm going to do is, I'm like, I like this one here. So I'm going to go and insert this one. And with a single click, I have created a very high-end website that if you were to hire someone to design this for you, they would charge you a minimum $250 to $500 plus, depending on the designer's experience. So look at this. With just one click, you have created a high-end business website. So if you have like you want to sell some products or some software, then you can use a design like this one. See how simple it is? And it didn't take you long, but just one click and you've created your own beautiful page. This looks high quality. Everything is responsive. Let's check the responsiveness here. So this is what it shows like on a tablet, on the phone, the same beautiful design on the phone. And that's it. You're done. You can come now, you can change the text if you want to, you can change the images, which I've already gone over with you in the previous lessons. You can change, you can resize anything you want. You want one size to be bigger, you can come in and do that. If you want it to be smaller, you can come here and you can do that. That's too small, you extend it back. And you scroll down, you can change whatever you want to change. So just like that, you can charge people $250 just to do this. And that's what a lot of designers are doing. This is what they're doing. So when you go out there to hire someone to create a landing page for you, don't think that sometimes it includes rocket science, because it doesn't. Look at this, beautiful and set up in just one click, literally. And I can change the content for the client. I can change the pricing for them, and I can let them know, listen, I'm done. This is your website. And they're going to be really, really impressed.